Okay guys, to add insult to injury, we just had our first 3-inch rain here. It's been wet the entire month of May. You can see what the bottom field looks like there. But we just had a downpour. Finished up a couple seconds ago. And I was bringing my son down here to the river so that he could see a river rise, because she's rising fast and she's going to keep on rising. And there's a pretty good chance the valley might go underwater here in the next hour as the water continues to rise. But we didn't have anything planted, so if you don't have anything planted, you won't lose it. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be planting by the end of the week. Unless I'm planting rice, that is. Anyway, our little river is rising fast. And it was already sort of high before. I don't know if we can get a perspective there on the bridge, but it looks like it's about 7 feet down from the bridge. Here comes somebody in a hurry. I'm going to stop filming. I'm going to get sprayed with water here. Talk to you later, guys. So guys, the last view was the small creek, Buttermilk Creek, next to my house. Now we're down at the big river right here in town. And the big river is quite a bit grumpier. Of course, its drainage basin is quite a bit bigger, but it doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. I bet the Wolf River here is going to go out. The rain just stopped, and so we probably have another couple hours of rise on the river, just assuming that it stops raining. But it's probably not going to stop raining. Big pile of debris going through. A lot of water in a short time. Okay guys, we are back on the Wolf River. We are about 2 miles east of my house, and that is where Buttermilk Creek meets Wolf River. And it is running full. And it is looking ugly. So lean back a little bit there so I can film right in front of you. Out in the bottom fields, it's starting to back water up into the field drains. And that bottom field is underwater. And there is Buttermilk. Water can't get away. So it's looking pretty ugly here, guys. Well, hope the rain stops soon.